Hey there, in this video we're going to tackle a common problem that many Python developers encounter when testing logging in their code. The problem arises when trying to use the caplog fixture in Pytest to capture log messages, but ending up with an empty list instead. Let's dig into this issue further to understand what's going on. The solution to this problem lies in understanding the nature of the caplog fixture and how it captures log messages. By configuring logging within a test function, you're interfering with Pytest functionality, which can lead to unexpected results. The key is to avoid configuring logging at runtime and instead rely on the capturing mechanism provided by caplog. To fix the issue, we need to remove the runtime logging configuration from the test function and let caplog handle the logging capture process. By using the @_level method within the test function, we can specify the log level for capturing messages and then make our assertions based on the capture logs. This ensures that the caplog fixture works as intended without any interference from external logging configurations. In summary, by refraining from configuring logging during a test and letting caplog handle log capture, we can avoid issues with missing log messages and ensure that our tests run smoothly. Remember, keeping things simple and following best practices in testing can save you a lot of headaches in the long run. And with that, happy coding, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite logging mishap story.